He was born in Burbank, California on August 25th, 1958. I chose him as my hero because his movies inspire me. He began his artistic career when he won a poster contest in high school. He then went to Cal Arts to study animation. He worked at Disney but left due to artistic differences. His films have been described as quirky and visual striking, with themes that blend fantasy with horror. I would like to one day create films like Tim Burton. Some of my favorite films are Pee-wee's Big Adventure, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, The Night Before Christmas, and Frankenweenie. Here is a picture of Tim Burton.